very good morning from London. Welcome to the European morning briefing for today, Wednesday the 21st of September. It's been a very choppy trading session in Europe so far. Many market participants examining their positions ahead of the FOMC decision later on from its two-day meeting. Many participants expecting some form of further easing in regards to Operation Twist from the Fed. So we're keeping a close eye out on that. That will be the headline later on. Elsewhere in the European session, there's been some market talk regarding BNP Paribas. They may indeed get downgraded today, according to the rumour. That is unconfirmed. BNP Paribas shares outlying in the European banking sector, currently down around 5%. The French banks in general, however, weaker across the board. Looking elsewhere from the ECB's dollar allotment today, there was another $500 million tap from an unnamed bank, one bidder there. So some further speculation regarding dollar funding in the European banking sector. Elsewhere, overnight in the currency space, we have seen some volatility in the Swiss currency. It was weaker across the board, Euro-Swiss jumping up to around 123.00 to the upside. There was the market talk yesterday that the SNB may consider moving their floor for Euro-Swiss up to the 125 level from 120. So it just seems to be some reaction towards that overnight. However, it does seem to be unfounded. Nothing from the Swiss National Bank on the wires this morning. The other headline out of Europe so far has been the MPC minutes from the Bank of England, rather dovish, and we have seen the sterling currency weaker across the board on the back of that, with an uptick in gilts. Many MPC members noting that the current trend in August, if it does continue, may warrant some further quantitative easing, and it was a marginal decision for many of the MPC members on whether to take further QE. However, the voting was unchanged, 9-0 on keeping rates unchanged and 8-1 on further quantitative easing, but just the dovish tone in the comments there helping affect the UK-related asset classes. As previously noted, all the focus therefore does turn on to the FOMC decision later on and any potential easing measures that will be announced alongside. But aside from that, in terms of the energy complex, we also do have the weekly DOE crude oil inventories out further on in the US session also. That's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.